Have you ever walked into a celebration, maybe a wedding, a naming ceremony, or even just a family visit, and the aroma of freshly fried samosas hit your nose? That crispy golden triangle with spices, delicious feeling is more than just a snack. It's tradition, it's comfort, and for many, it's a childhood memory. But now, as someone managing diabetes or caring for someone who is, you stop and wonder, can I enjoy this? Or is it one of those foods that might be quietly spiking your blood sugar levels? If you've ever asked yourself that question, today's video is for you. If you are new here, my name is Mirabikono, a registered nurse and a certified diabetes educator. I share videos on diabetes awareness and tips to manage and reverse diabetes type 2 while still enjoying our delicious African recipes. If you find my content helpful, please go ahead, like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel for more. Samosa is a popular snack and street food in many African countries, particularly in Kenya, Uganda, and Tanzania. It is also enjoyed in many Asian homes. They are usually triangle-shaped, made from refined flour dough and filled with mashed potatoes, peas, minced meat or chicken, onions, garlic, and other spices. Then deep fried until golden brown and crunchy. Delicious, right? Yes, but what does this mean for your blood sugar? Let's break it down. One medium fried samosa, about 100 grams, gives you roughly 260 to 300 calories, 30 to 35 grams of carbohydrate, 2 grams of fiber, 6 to 8 grams of protein, 12 to 18 grams of fat. The glycemic index is high. The combination of white flour, starchy potatoes, and deep frying makes this a high carbohydrate and high fat snack. Those carbs turn into sugar quickly, and unhealthy fats from frying can even worsen insulin resistance. Here's what happens when someone with insulin resistance, pre-diabetes or diabetes, eats a traditional samosa. Number one, blood sugar spikes quickly because of the refined flour and starchy filling. Secondly, fats from deep frying slows digestion, but not in a helpful way. They worsen insulin sensitivity. Thirdly, very little fiber, so nothing slows down sugar from entering your bloodstream. According to the American Diabetes Association, foods made with white flour and deep fried in oil contribute to poor sugar control and increases your risk of heart diseases. This is not to say that samosa is all that bad. No, not completely. The samosa itself isn't the enemy. It's how it's been prepared. Here's what makes the traditional samosa blood sugar unfriendly. Number one, refined white flour, also known as maida, for the crust. Starchy potatoes filling, deep fried in oil, which is often reused oil, low in protein and fiber. But if you can make some smart changes, you can still enjoy this snack in a healthier way. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you right now. But first, if you are still watching, I believe you are gaining some value from this video. So kindly give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Back to our focus. If you are a samosa lover, here are diabetes friendly tips to help you enjoy it without guilt. Number one, swap the white flour and use whole wheat flour or almond flour for more fiber. Secondly, change the cooking method. You can bake or air fry instead of deep frying. Thirdly, choose smart fillings like boiled eggs, minced lean chicken or fish, stir-fried vegetables, moderate lentils or chickpeas. Number four, add fiber boosters like flax seeds or chia seeds into the fillings. Number 5, wash your portion. One small samosa with a side of vegetable is better than eating 3 samosas at once. And never forget, what you eat with a samosa matters. A vegetable salad or herbal tea is better than a Coke. This is what to avoid if you want to manage your blood sugar levels very well. Number 1, store-bought frozen samosas. They are often high in preservatives and bad oils. Secondly, street samosas fried in old oils. Thirdly, pairing samosas with sugary drinks like soda or sweetened drinks. Remember, it's not just the snack, it's the combination that causes the damage. So, with all that we have discussed, is samosa good for diabetes? No, not in its typical deep-fried form with white flour and potatoes. And yes, but only if modifications are done. And even then, occasionally eat it and not every day. Managing diabetes doesn't mean cutting off all your favorite foods. It means understanding them, modifying them, and eating them with wisdom. One samosa won't ruin your health, but regular careless eating will. Start making smart food choices. If this video helped you understand the truth about samosas and blood sugar, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone managing diabetes, or still share it with a samosa lover you know. Let me know in the comment, have you ever tried baking samosas or using a different filling? I would love to hear your version. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical African-focused diabetes education, where we make managing diabetes simple, real, and relatable. And also, don't forget to order my ebook on how to eat African meals without blood sugar spice. I will drop the link in the description or even in the comment. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.